Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. The stock being taken today is SINTEX Industries Limited. The Excel spreadsheet in front of you is an Excel program wherein we put financial data of a stock and arrive at a conclusion on to whether to invest in that company or not at this point of time. The data are taken from an app known as a Stock Edge app. So let's go to SINTEX Industries Limited. We can see here SINTEX Industries Limited was trading at 12.21 on 29th of October 2018. Now let's go to the fundamental tab. Under the overview tab, we could see the sector as plastic products and industry as plastic products. Let's understand about the company. So we click on show profile tab. SINTEX Industries Limited was incorporated in 1931. The business of the company is into plastic, that is SINTEX manufactures wide range of plastic products catering to various segments like construction, interiors, industries and consumers. It manufactures products like tanks, PVC pipes, doors, window panels, kitchen cabinets, furniture, shelters, pallets, insulated boxes, chemical tanks, meter boxes, bins, solar water heating systems, etc. The company is also into fabrics. It manufactures wide range of men's and ladies apparels and furnishing. So two products, plastics and fabrics. So this was about the company. Now coming on to the financial indicators, we'll be putting this value onto our Excel sheet. The first is market cap, which is 676.08 crores. Earning per share is 2.79. Price to earning ratio is 4.08, whereas industry price to earning ratio is 21.93. Book value per share is 75.47. Price to book value is 0.15. Dividend yield is 0.88. Base value is 1. And number of shares subscribed is 59.41. Coming on to return ratio, the first ratio in return ratio is return on equity, which is 3.41%. Return on capital employed is 3.27% and return on asset is 1.47%. So overall return ratio has not given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Coming on to efficiency ratio, the first is EBITDA margin, which is 15.19. EBIT margin is 10.25, PAT margin is 4.94, earning per share is 2.39, asset turnover ratio is 0.3, days of receivables is 82.25, days of payables is 37.05, days of inventory is 53.13. So overall efficiency ratio has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to growth ratio, the first is net sales growth, which is 49.52%. The EBITDA growth is 18.9%. The net profit growth is 5.65% and the EPS growth is minus 3.13. So overall a buy signal in terms of growth ratio as well. Coming on to the solvency ratio, the most important ratio in shortlisting any of the stocks. The first parameter is total debt to equity ratio, which is 1.25. Now when we click on 1.25, we get to know that the total debt on the company is 5,508.6 crores against a net worth of 4,410.24 crores. Coming on to interest coverage ratio, which is 2.58. Now when we click on 2.58, we get to know that the earnings before income tax is 294.31 crores, whereas interest they are paying is around 114 crores. The current ratio is 1.1. So solvency ratio has not given us a signal to invest in this company at this point of time. Coming on to cash flow ratio, the first is cash flow per share, which is 0.31, and free cash flow per share is negative 36.88. So overall cash flow ratio has also not given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Coming on to valuation ratio, the first is price to earning ratio, which is 7.52. Price to book ratio is 0.24. Price to cash flow ratio is 58.66. EV to EBITDA ratio is 14.57. Market cap to sales ratio is 0.37. So overall valuation ratio has also not given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. The program in its entirety has given us a signal to hold at this point of time. Hope you might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. For any queries or for performing comparative or fundamental analysis of any of your stock, kindly write in the comment section below. Thank you.